All right, so now let's begin by following the steps we need. These steps I listed out here. I just want things to be a little bit organized. We're going to follow these steps to implement the reset password functionality. So first off, let's create a route. I'm going to bring this guy down and let's come here, go to our user route folder, and then we're just going to create a new route here. So I will just duplicate this downwards, and then I'm just going to change some things here. So this, for example, is going to be a post route, because when the user clicks on get reset email, we expect that they will send us their email. All right, so that's why it's going to be a post route. So here I'm going to change this also to forgot password, like so. And then it's not going to be protected, so you want your users to have access to it when they are logged out. And then also the function we're going to call will be forgot password. So technically there are two things that needs to be in place for oh, something is wrong here. Why is this change password white? Did I do something wrong? I'm not quite sure, but I would have to check why it's white. Anyway, let me just create the controller function that will have the same name of forgot password. So I'll come here to my user controller, and I think the user route should just be before the user controller. Aha. So I'll come to my user controller and I'll create the new function. So let's use our async handler to create a function, and I'll just call that function same name, forgot password. Function is just going to send some text, so response.send, and we're just going to say forgot password, like so. And then don't forget, we also need to export it so that we can use it uh, at other places in our application. Great. So now I'll save this user controller, and then I would head over to the user route, and then I'll save it as well. And I don't know why this guy is white. I'm sure I'll figure it out. Maybe it's something I did. Control save, and if we get an error, then I'll know something is wrong here. Okay, I guess something is really wrong here. So once again, I forgot to import the forgot password. So let me import it, hit enter. Oh, okay, I see why. That was why I needed to import this guy. That was why this one was white. So let's go ahead and save, and I'll bring up Insomnia to test that route. So let's create a new route here. I'll duplicate this change password route, and I'll just call it forgot password. Yeah, like so. And then I'll create. And remember, it's a post route, so let's change it post. And then the last guy here is not going to be reset password, it's going to be forgot password. Yeah, so that's it. Now let's fire it off to send. Aha, so you see we get a response 200. Okay, now we've been able to create the routes. Let's look in our steps. Okay, yeah, so forgot password. So if you look in the instruction here, you'll see that the next thing is that we need to create a token for should be a model token. Sorry, a token model, that's correct. Okay, so we're going to create a model that will be used to save the token in our database. All right, so let's do that in the next video.